Do you love orange chicken as much as I do? If you do and you want to know how to make it, stick around. My kids are obsessed with this recipe. This recipe is very simple. All you need is some diced up chicken, sprinkle some chicken bouillon, and drizzle some soy sauce over it, seasoning it with some white pepper. Grate up a couple of cloves of garlic and a little bit of ginger. Crack 1 egg in your recipe. You can use any color egg that you like. I like the brown eggs. Then I got some cornstarch, baking powder, and some flour. I used more cornstarch than the flour, so a 3-to-1 ratio. We're going to get a can of Orange Cream C4 Ultimate Energy Drink. You can find yours in a TikTok shop today. Go ahead and click that link. We're actually not putting it in the recipe. Massage all of your flavors and cornstarch, flour, baking powder, everything in that chicken. Get some hot oil and fry your chicken till golden brown and crisp like this. You can use the double fry method because that's what I did. I got my son to help me. He's pouring in some soy sauce, grating up some garlic. Look at that hard worker right there. Zest up an orange. Squeeze all that fresh orange juice out. Brown sugar. He thought it was a lot, but really it's not. Boiling the sauce is going to dissolve the sugars and bring all the flavors together. Add a little bit of cornstarch slurry to this to make it thick. Back to the chicken, we're going to toss it in our orange chicken sauce. I don't know about you, but I'm just having my orange chicken with white rice today. My orange chicken restaurant that I used to go to in Long Beach shut down, so I'm very sad, but I'm happy to know how to make orange chicken that tastes just like it. Eat 'em up. I like egg rolls too. You want the recipe?